Lingportal Online School presents
Capital Letters and Apostrophes in English. Hello, English learners. Have you ever wondered when to use capital letters and why there's a little comma in words like don't or Emma's? Today we're going to make that clear. Let's learn how to use capital letters and apostrophes the right way with simple rules and helpful examples. Ready? Let's go. Capitalisation rules. Capital letters aren't just for shouting in texts. We use them for specific reasons. They follow some clear rules in English. Let's take a look at when you really need to use them. Use the capital letter in the following cases. 1. The first word in a sentence. This one's a must. Always start a sentence with a big letter. For example, she is my best friend. It is raining outside. No matter what the sentence is, the first word gets a capital. Easy win. 2. The pronoun I is always capitalized. No matter where it appears in a sentence, it should always be written with a capital letter. For example, I like tea, but I don't like coffee. No small i's here. 3. Days, months, and holidays. Cap those days and months like they're important appointments, because they kinda are. Example, Monday, July, Easter. Please note, the seasons, spring, summer, are not capitalized. I love winter. Why? No one really knows. That's just how English rolls sometimes. 4. Names of people, titles. If it's a name of a person, city, brand or special event, it gets a capital. Here are some examples. Tom, London. Not Tom, London. Please note, when honorifics and titles are used as a part of a proper noun, they are capitalized. For example, Mrs. Smith, President Obama, Dr. Jones. 5. Countries, languages, and nationalities. Religions. It's simple. English, Japanese, language. France, Russia, country. Christianity, Islam, religion. 6. Companies, trademarks, brands, organizations. Capitalize the names of companies and brands because they are proper nouns. For example, I'm going to buy a new Toyota. He works for Royal Bank of Scotland. Have you noticed? Some small words like prepositions can be low in such names. Don't forget to capitalize the abbreviation. For example, UN, United Nations. WTO, World Trade Organization. Titles of books, films or songs. When you mention a title, it usually comes with capital letters, at least the important words. For example, I'm reading Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. We watched Finding Nemo. Apostrophe rules. Ah yes, the apostrophe, that little curly mark that causes big confusion. Let's make it simple. Apostrophes are small but important. We use them in two main ways. 1. Showing possession. Something belongs to someone. An apostrophe plus S tells us something belongs to someone. For example, Emma's dog. The dog belongs to Emma. My brother's bike. The bike belongs to my brother. What if a name ends in S? Just add apostrophe S. James's book. Totally fine. But in some styles, you might also see James's book. Also okay. Some styles prefer this. Either works, just be consistent. 2. To make contractions, short forms. Here's where apostrophes help us sound more natural in everyday speech. They replace missing letters. Here are examples. Don't equals do not. Can't equals cannot. I'm equals I am. He's equals he is or he has. There equals they are. Contractions make your speech sound relaxed and friendly, like you're talking to a friend. Important. Apostrophes are not used to make words plural. Apples for more than one apple, incorrect. Correct, apples. Final tip. Think of capital letters and apostrophes as the accessories of writing. They're small, but they make everything look right and clear. Mini test. Ready to see how much you've learned? Let's check your skills with a short, fun quiz on capital letters and apostrophes. No stress, just a quick challenge to keep you sharp. Let's go! Which sentence is correct? I like summer. Choose the correct form. The girl's shoes are red. Which word needs a capital letter? London, Monday. What does he's mean? He has. Which sentence is correct? It's raining outside. Great job, everyone! Now you know the most important rules for using capital letters and apostrophes in English. Remember, small things like this can make your writing and speaking much clearer. Keep practicing and you'll use them like a pro in no time. See you in the next lesson. And remember, grammar doesn't have to be boring.